Okay, this is our last example together, and we are dealing with liquid volume, which is always a little more difficult. So I gave you a choice where you could either use a T-chart or the land of gallon drawing to help you convert. We're going to do number 16 together, 8 quarts as gallons. So decide right now, are you going to draw a T-chart or the land of gallon? Go ahead and pause the video, do that, and see if you can go ahead and convert 8 quarts as gallons, and then come back and see if your answer was correct. Okay, I'm going to use a T-chart, but if you didn't and you drew the land of gallon, that's okay. You should have still gotten the exact same answer. I put my bigger conversion on the left and my smaller on the right. What if I forget? I'm not as comfortable with liquid volume, so I need to go and look. Whatever it is on the left on your star chart, that's what you put on the left. So they always have the larger measurement on the left and then the smaller on the right. So I'm going to put gallons on the left and quarts on the right, and then a 1 and a 4, because that's my conversion rate. Okay, so gallons, 1, quarts, 4. It's kind of sounds like a score, huh? Okay. And I'm converting 8 quarts, so I need to put the 8 under quarts. And I know when I am going from small to big, I divide, and I will divide by the conversion rate, which is 4. Well, that's pretty simple. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 8 quarts is equal to 2 gallons. Did you get that exact same number? Did you use the land of gallon or did you use a T-chart? So today is the last day we're dealing with customary. We're going to move on to metric and take a look at all the metric conversions. What do you notice about them? If you said they're all powers of 10, you would be correct. And so honestly, converting metric measurements is so much easier because they're not these crazy, different, messed up, made up conversion rates. They're all the same. And they're all, and all the conversion rates are equal based on their prefix, kilo, centi, milli. And it doesn't matter whether you're measuring length, liquid volume, or weight. The kilo always means the same, and the milli, etc. They all mean the same. So that's a little extra question for you. If converting to metric is so much easier, why do we in the United States stick to the customary? Is it because we're just super stubborn and we don't want to change? What do you think? Do you think it would be better to move to the metric system that is much easier? Or should we be individuals and stick to the customary system? I want to know what you think. Okay, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon.